Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. As you can see, the vehicle isn't that dirty. It's a maintenance detail, so pretty much you gotta look for the dirt. I love doing these because it always gives me the opportunity to be seen. Always give me the opportunity to get a new customer, a new client. Maintenance customers definitely keep the bills paid because they're very consistent. This Corvette, y'all done seen it a few times on YouTube. I've been maintaining it for years, at least once a month for the past 5 years. So just, you can just imagine how much I made by cleaning this vehicle over and over again. And the good thing about maintenance customers, whether they're weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, it shows everybody else in the neighborhood that you're honest and dependable, or they won't have you to come out so often. You're trustworthy. All right, let's work our way into the interior. Like I said before, the vehicle isn't that dirty, so I just got a small bucket of Dawn soap and water, a microfiber rag, and steam. That's it. Just keep it simple. This vehicle looks like this every time. It's never heavily soiled, no clutter, no dirt, pretty much nothing. No stains, no heavily soiled, none of that. So that's why I like the Harbor Freight steamer, because it's versatile. I can still get a lot done with hardly no chemicals. I've been using these type of steamers for years. They don't cost that much. They're around about $100. But I've never had any big issues with them. I never destroyed a vehicle or any electronics with this steamer. I just try to keep at least 6 inches away from what I'm cleaning. Also, as you can see, I always keep it moving. I never let it sit in one spot too long because it does get hot. And be careful because it will burn your skin. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.